Hello, I bring today a new video tutorial for the Overthereality app for make a map on the new campaign Map to Earn the World in 3D. So what we have to do in the first is go here on this Map to Earn section, and then after go on your location, and if you are lucky you will find maps like right now I'm in, and then you will be able to scan them to earn a few extra rewards or direct rewards. It depends of the map. In this case these are interest points, so this doesn't give you a direct reward, but if you are lucky you can get some extra rewards and also entries for the monthly draw. So what we can do, if you are in the space, you can click on the space and click here then when it's map this overland, but it would not let you to correct if you have a gap of GPS in it. So it's easier to click here in plus map the world, and then you just get inside of the mapping area. We put ready to start. As you see, the app is scanning the floor, and we will enter this three-dimensional world then in this. So we need to point to the floor to just bypass and get to this screen, and then we will skip the training. And as you see, I'm not looking there, I'm looking a little bit outside of that house, so I will set manually my position and I will adjust it a little bit. Where is it? Like that. Set this position, and then we should try to put this pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, where it will be the center of the map if we can. So we will try to put it there. As you see there, yes, a little bit more far. There will be my center of this map, so I will drop it here, and then we will try to keep distance as much we can. If not, we will have to go closer. We'll go closer. This is just an example. I choose this map because it's a big area and I can show you how to do it. But then if you have a wall closer or in another way, you can also go closer to the pyramid. So let's start this mapping. And we will go slowly around. I'm getting all this pyramid on an emerald color. As you see, it is going more greener and greener until you finish on the last hexagonal face, and we finish the center pyramidal, and then we will start to finish scanning the other ones. So let's start to do the 6 more around the first one. It's very easy. You just go around, making that everything is full green, and taking around 500 800 pictures is enough. The app anyway doesn't let you go more further than 1000 pictures, so take that in mind. It's not need that much. To be honest, best maps are between, as I told you, 500, 800 is okay, is perfect. So that's my recommendation. In this moment we are on 444. So as you see, more moving myself, more I'm getting the map done. Super easy, doesn't take that much time. Remember that for myself right now because I'm explaining. And for example, with this could be enough, right? 600, 700 now is perfect. Doesn't need more than this. We'll just make a little bit more, just to have a little bit more of metadata. Nice, perfect. Okay, now 900 is okay, it's a good number. We can conclude here this mapping. Just take a little bit more, a little bit from here, a little bit from there. And this is enough. So we conclude the mapping, go to save, and then we will edit the video. This is very important. Video has to be very smooth and good for looking. So what I recommend, the most easier is that check that everything is not going through some wall. If not, just scale it, make it closer, so then you have this perspective. As you see, is everything okay? Nothing is going inside of the wall, so the video will be smooth and perfect. So then we go to save, and that's it. That should be very good mapping. So let's check it out then, the results.